Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to the channel. So, today we will be reviewing this product which is a Mc Glassy Airy Matte Lip Cream under the shade of wine. So, if you want to know more about this product, so just keep on watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. By the way, guys, I got this product on Cebu Expo 2019 at SM City, Cebu Trade Hall Center. And I'm super blessed kasi meron dong naka-line up and meron akong mga Mc Glassy na skincare products.
Hi, welcome to Mc Glassy. Mc Glassy is a Korean skincare products. We have skincare and makeups. We have glow soap, scrub, lipstick, and foundation. And we are also open for resellers and city distributors. So if you are interested,
They're claiming for organic products. So, they're looking for resellers and franchise. Kung gusto nyo guys, saan kayo makukontak?
Mc Glassy Philippines po yung Facebook page po namin.
Diretso na lang sa Facebook page.
Yes.
Okay, diretso guys. If you want to be a reseller, diretso kayo. PM lang. PM is the key.
Yes. Our price range is starting from 180 pesos until 650 pesos. It is very affordable.
Which I did an unboxing, and unfortunately, yung skincare set nila, na-delete lahat yung file nung the time that I was applying it. But anyway, it will be on another video. I will be reviewing it in a separate video. As of now, we will be talking about this Mc Glassy Lip Cream. Just for, guys, hindi rin na to sponsor, disclaimer lang. I've been using this for mga 4 times, pang-apat na nga, parang hirap mag-English. Okay, 4 times na, and then the first time that I used this product, dinala ko siya sa events, rinay ko siya the whole day. I-insert ko yung video wherein I applied it directly. So guys, it dries super fast. Hindi siya drying. Ang ganda niya sa lips, in fairness. So, when it comes sa packaging, parang super classy siya guys kasi goldish yung cover, and then makikita nyo talaga yung tube. Super nude. Alam nyo naman, gustong-gusto ko yung nude colors. What's the good thing about this? Kasi, ang ganda niya, pag ganun mo pa lang guys, ang bango niya, para siyang bubble gum. I just can't get over with the smell kasi ang super bango niya, and especially yung formulation niya, ang dali niyang mag-glide sa lips mo, and take note, ang dali niyang mag-dried up. Super, as in seconds lang, madali siyang nag-dried up, and super comfortable siya sa lips, and para lang hindi ka nag-lipstick. And the color payoff is really nice. So first time, honest lang, first time ko tong na-try na sa lahat ng mga lipstick na nagamit ko so far, ito yung ang dali niya mag-dry, at the same time, super comfortable talaga siya. And the one, Diyos ko, ang ganda. Hindi ko lang na-try yung ibang lipstick nila kasi yung, alam nyo naman, gusto ko talaga yung nude kasi wearable siya everyday, and I don't want to go to events talang pulang-pula yung ko, no. So, yun ang masasabi ko sa kanya guys. I super love this one, and when it comes sa color payoff naman and the longevity, yun nga ang longevity. I don't know if nag-claim ba sila na siya, kiss-proof, transfer-proof. Kasi, if I'm going to sip, I'm drinking my coffee earlier din. Napapansin ko lang sa kanya, meron siyang konting transfer. So, yun lang naman, meron siyang konting transfer. And when it comes to longevity, after, if hindi ka lang iinom parate or kakain parate, if, nagtra-travel ka, it will really last for 4 hours, and then you need to retouch. And if you're eating naman, konti lang naman yung natatanggal dito na banda. So, ang dali niya talagang i-retouch. Hindi naman siya hindi siya katulad ng ibang lipstick na para siyang nagda-dried up and nag-crack yung lips nyo. So far, ito yung color na to. Super ganda niya. Diva? Parang siyang may hint of orange yung undertone niya, and basta I'm in love with this. Merong nakalagay dito yung ingredients lang. Wala kasi, ano siya, yung packaging niya, ito lang talaga siya. Simple as it is. Super handy, super small, and ang ano ko lang talaga sa kanya is, meron siyang transfer konti. So far, isa lang yung hindi ko nagustuhan. Sana if, ano siya, kiss proof, ganon. Hindi naman. Kayo iba yung iniisip nyo. But, anyway, thank you so much for hearing me out. I forgot the price kasi ang tagal ko na nabili ko ata to, mga 4 months ago. Matagal ko na sana tong i-review guys, pero lahat nga ng footage ng ano nito is nawala. Dalawa lang yung na-save. I don't know kung saan sila naglalagayan. But then, so far, I'm going to update you because meron din akong skin care set, glow skin care set, and basta, iba din yun. Basta ito, love ko to. Kudos to Mc Glassy Skin, and I super love it. By the way guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sarang he! Bye bye for now!